Okay, guys. So welcome to ProForex101. So, guys, today we are going to be looking at a trade analysis. Okay, it's a pre-trade analysis. Okay, so we here at ProForex101, guys, we are stalking USDCAD for a buy. Okay, which means we are expecting US dollar to strengthen and CAD Canadian dollar to weaken. Okay, so the right now where the price is at, it's a very significant area that's held in the past. Okay, so this trade might take a few days to set up, but if it does set up, there's a potential for reaching all the way up here. So if we get in somewhere here, that's almost about 200 pips. Yeah, all right. So anyway, guys, so let's look at this area, why this is significant and why we're looking at this as a buy. Okay, so we got some support resistance playing in this trade. Okay, so I'm gonna draw my support resistance area. So this area, guys, is basically an area that has been coming into play in the past. So which means, if it's in the past, if it has been resistance and we are above the market, it'll be a support for us, right? Sorry, if the market is above the support resistance area, it'll become a support for us. And in the past, if it had been support and if we are below the market, it'll be resistance for us. Okay, so what we're trying to do is, because since it has been in the past, it had there was resistance in this area, where every time the market came to this area was pushed down. Now we are violating this area to the north, which is suggesting to us that we should be getting ready for a buy. Okay, so and then I'm gonna zoom out and show you that this area that I've highlighted plays out in many times in the past. Okay, look at here where the market experienced some resistance. Okay, let's go back further. Look at what happened here. Okay, so in these areas, so it's been an area that's been respected and sometimes violated. It depends on the market conditions, but it's a significant area, as we can see, right? So this whole move up was actually halted by this area here that we've just drawn. So let's, if we can keep going to the part. Let me zoom out. Okay, so it's much clear. So I'm going back to the past. Look at what happened here. There was a very strong move south that was actually halted by this our area. Okay, so it's a significant support resistance area in the market that's held in the past. This was in 2003, somewhere in 2003. So what we're expecting is for this area to become active again, guys. So look at how price has been reacting to this area since 1995. So going back all the way, and this is 1994. So okay, so we got the point that it's a significant area, right? So what we are wanting to see, so I'm going to zoom back in, is us getting out of this area. Okay, so it might take a few days, probably middle of this week. Okay, so it's a passive trade. Okay, you just need to be looking at your charts once in just have a look at it every day and see how we've reacted off it. And if we do come out of it with a strong candle, it's a strong signal for us to be getting into a buy. Okay, and as you can see, even our lows are getting higher, and then our highs are getting higher, which means that our market trend is looking like it wants to go up. Okay, so as I said, guys, there's many ways to look at how how this turn will happen, but yeah, anyway, all right. So okay, sorry, let me get rid of that. Okay, So okay guys, so let's see how this plays out. Okay, so what we want to be doing is this price range in this area, we want the market to come back out. As again guys, if it drops, let it drop. Okay, this is not our trade, but what we, if it does what we expect it to do, then we want to be buying this. Okay, and then we want to be going targeting these areas up here. Okay, so if you get in a good entry guys, minimum 150 to 200, even if you're late, that's all right. If you're up here, at least 100 100 pips. Okay, if it's a late entry also, that's okay. So yeah, okay guys, so let's see how this plays out. Towards the end of the week, I'll do a post-trade analysis depending on if it worked out or not. Okay, yeah guys, all right, so let's see how that plays out, and I'll do the, yeah, we'll see you in the post-trade analysis guys. Bye for now.